Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the minimal assets: an HTML page, CSS, and JavaScript. Create a button with an ID to trigger the pop-up and a div with role equals dialog hidden by default. Once done, apply simple CSS to position the modal centered and set display, none or opacity, 0. You add an area label for accessibility so screen readers announce the dialog. Make sure to include the script tag before /body so you can attach event listeners to the DOM elements. You now implement the dynamic behavior with JavaScript. Query the trigger, modal, and close elements, then add a click listener to open the modal by toggling a visible class and setting focus to the first focusable element. Add a listener on the close control and on the backdrop to remove the class and return focus to the trigger. Once done, capture keydown for escape to close, and trap focus inside the modal, so tabbing cycles within the dialog for accessibility and predictable UX. You finish by polishing visuals and accessibility. Use CSS transitions on opacity and transform for a smooth entrance, and add area hidden or inert to background content while the modal is open so it isn't reachable. Once done, ensure you restore focus to the trigger and clean up any event listeners if the modal is created or destroyed dynamically. Troubleshooting tip: if the modal won't appear, open DevTools, check console for JS errors, and verify your selectors, match element IDs or classes exactly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.